If you're feeling unsure about trying a raw food diet, then stay tuned and we'll be addressing all the common fears that people have these days about going raw. Today marks day 5 of my 7 daily uploads, and of course we're going to dive into the raw food challenge that I started on September 11 this year. And if you are doing the raw challenge with me, then do me a favor and take a picture of your raw meals and share them on Instagram and tag me in it. And this way we can inspire more people to eat healthier. And now let's get into the video. There are some concerns about eating only raw foods that sound very convincing and a bit alarming. I've compiled a list of 5 things that people have mentioned, as well as some thoughts that I had myself. So here they are. Many people think that living a raw vegan lifestyle means you have to completely isolate yourself and miss out on socializing. However, this isn't true at all. First of all, raw vegan food can be incredibly social. You can share delicious dishes at gatherings or potlucks, and many raw recipes like vibrant salads or fruit platters or even raw wraps or noodles, they are perfect for sharing and can really impress your friends. There are also thriving communities, both online and in person, where raw vegans can connect. And you can find local meetups, cooking classes, and even some retreats where you can bond with others who share your passion. And by the way, dining out is still an option. Many restaurants now offer raw vegan choices that allow you to enjoy meals with your friends and without feeling left out. So, while it may seem like a really lonely journey, living a raw vegan lifestyle can actually be quite social and fulfilling. Some people believe that a raw vegan diet can lead to nutrient deficiencies, but this isn't necessarily true. A well-planned raw vegan diet can provide all the essential nutrients. When you include a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, sprouted lentils, and seaweeds, you can get plenty of vitamins and minerals and healthy fats. So, for example, leafy greens like kale, they are rich in calcium, and nuts and seeds, they provide protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Also, many raw vegans supplement their diet with specific nutrients like vitamin B12 and vitamin D to ensure that they meet their nutritional needs. So this can be done through fortified foods or supplements, which are really easy to incorporate. And finally, there are numerous resources and communities that offer guidance on creating balanced raw meals. Many raw foodies, they actually share recipes and tips online, and it makes it easier to maintain a nutritious diet. So while concerns about deficiencies do exist, with the right approach, a raw vegan lifestyle can be both healthy and satisfying. It's too expensive. So many people think that eating a raw vegan diet is too expensive, but that's not necessarily true. First of all, you can save money by focusing on seasonal and local produce. Buying fruits and vegetables that are in season often costs less, and a local farmers market can offer great deals as well. So for example, when tomatoes or zucchini are in season, you can definitely find them at lower prices. Also, staples like beans or lentils and whole grains can be a budget-friendly addition to a raw vegan diet. So sprouted legumes, for example, are nutritious and often much cheaper than processed vegan alternatives. You can easily make a big batch for meals throughout the week. Finally, preparing meals at home can save you money compared to dining out. So making your own raw snacks like energy bars or smoothies is typically much cheaper than buying prepackaged options. So while it might seem costly, but with smart choices and planning, a raw vegan lifestyle can fit a variety of budgets. Many people worry that raw foods make them more prone to bacteria like E. coli, but this isn't necessarily true. First of all, proper food handling and preparation can significantly reduce the risk of contamination. So, washing fruits and vegetables thoroughly and using clean utensils can really help keep your food safe. For example, soaking leafy greens in water with a bit of vinegar can effectively remove dirt and bacteria. Also, the risk of foodborne illness is not exclusive to raw foods. Cooked foods can also harbor bacteria if not handled correctly. Raw vegan diets often include foods that are less likely to be contaminated, like fruits and vegetables, compared to some animal products. And also, many raw foodists emphasize sourcing high-quality organic produce from reputable suppliers, which can further minimize risks. So by choosing fresh and safe ingredients and practicing good hygiene, you can enjoy raw foods without excessive worry about bacteria. And before we move on to the number one, which is my absolute favorite scare of all time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. Are bananas really radioactive, and should you worry? Bananas are a popular healthy choice, especially in a raw vegan diet, but some people claim that they are radioactive. Is this something to be concerned about? Bananas contain potassium, a mineral your body needs. A tiny part of this potassium is potassium 40, which is naturally radioactive. This means that bananas give off a very small amount of radiation. However, the amount is extremely low, and you'd need about 10 million bananas at once for the radiation to be harmful. So there is really no need to worry, and eating bananas is completely safe. They have very low radiation. And there are many foods like spinach and potatoes that also contain potassium and tiny amounts of radiation, but it's not dangerous. We get small doses of radiation every single day from the environment, so the amount from bananas is nothing to worry about. Potassium is healthy. Your body needs potassium to function properly, and bananas are an excellent source of it. There are other everyday things that also have harmless amounts of radiation, like Brazil nuts. They have tiny amounts of radium, but they are still safe to eat in small quantities. Airplane flights. When you fly, we are exposed to more cosmic radiation, but it's still not that harmful. So, in conclusion, yes, bananas have a tiny bit of radiation going on, but it's harmless, and in fact, they are nutritious and delicious part of any raw vegan diet. So please enjoy them without worry. And if you haven't watched my previous episodes, I've linked my playlist here so you can catch up, and I'll see you tomorrow.